Welcome back, everyone. Hopefully, you've enjoyed the demos thus far. I am Kyle Paul, on the North America Regional Lead for the Developer Ecosystem team here at Google. Up next, we have some more great demos, but first, I've put together a fun little trivia break for all of you. I've collected fun little bits from Google history to some interesting facts about all of our products. So hopefully, all of you are geared up and ready to go for this. How to join? Hop on over to slido.com, and this is where you'll enter the code hash GDSC21 if you haven't joined us already. Or you could use the QR code, which should be up on your screen here in a minute, which you can use your mobile device to scan the QR code and join the quiz there. From the quiz, when you're joining Slido, you'll see an option with a little blue dot that's Q&A trivia. When you join the Q&A trivia, it'll make sure you're on the polls tab. You'll see your name. If you're joining with your name, that's great. If you don't feel like typing in your name, you can go ahead and put anonymous in there. But basically, that'll just help me announce who the winner is at the end of the quiz. Through this, remember that not only the correct answer gets you more points, but the quickest to the correct answer gets you more points as well. So make sure that once you know the answer to the question, go ahead and punch that in. And with that, we're going to go ahead and check to see how many folks we have in there. And it looks like we have a decent amount. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And awesome. So the first question is, what year was Google officially founded? So is it 1995, 1998, 2002, or 2003? You have about 15 seconds left. So make sure to lock in those answers. I see a lot of interesting answers coming in thus far. So make sure to lock in that answer. We have under 10 seconds left. Make sure to lock in your answers if you haven't already. 5 seconds. Oh, and the results are up. Let's see where everybody guessed. Looked like most of you thought 1998. We have a few of you thinking 1995. Let's see what the correct answer is here. And it is 1998. So congratulations to all of you who guessed that one. Awesome. On to the next question. This is a Google Chrome question. So, in which year was the first version of Google Chrome released? Was it 1999, 2004, 2008, or 2014? This is a trick question, so make sure you have your thinking caps on and you're remembering this correctly. We have about 10 seconds left. So, this is the first version of Google Chrome. Let's see. We've got about 3 seconds left. Make sure your answers are locked in. And let's see what everybody guessed. Ooh, interesting. So we have most folks think 2008, and you would be correct. Great job, everyone. So that was actually when the first version of Google Chrome was released. Up next, we have an Android question. So, which of the following is not an attribute of Android widget.textView? Is it Android ID, Android text, Android layout width, or Android hint? So, which one is not an attribute? We have about 15 seconds left for this. Make sure to lock in your answers. And we've got about 5 seconds left. If you haven't guessed yet, make sure to lock that in. And time's up. Let's see how we went. Oh, wow. Looks like I stumped quite a few of you there. It is actually Android hint is the not an attribute of the Android widget text view. So great job, everyone who got that one. Next up, we have a there goes a TensorFlow question. So in a neural network, which of the following strategies is used to deal with overfitting in TensorFlow? Is it dropout, regularization, batch normalization, or is it D, all the above? You have about 10 seconds left here. Let's see who gets this one. We have some interesting answers coming in already, so uh, I don't think this one stumped many of you. Time's up here. Let's see how we went. D, all the above. It kind of took the cake here, and all of you would be correct. So 71% of you got the correct answer there. So great job. And then up next we have, oops, let me go back one. There we go. So which of the following network protocols or tools that protect apps from DDoS attacks? Is it Google Cloud Defender, Google Cloud Destroyer, Google Cloud Shield, or is it Google Cloud Armor? So those of you who have been using our Google Cloud as part of your projects, if you knew this existed, we have about 5 seconds left to go. Make sure to lock in your answers here. Is it Defender, Destroyer, Shield, or Armor? Let's see who got it right. So our results are in. Looks like most of you guessed Google Cloud Shield, and it's actually Google Cloud Armor. So 20% of you got the correct answer there. So great job, everyone. Was another fun trick question there for you. And up next, we have a Firebase question. So, what library gives you a pre-built UI on top of Firebase authentication? Is this Firebase UI, Anchor UI, Google Sign-In, or Auth UI? We have about 15 seconds left, so make sure to go ahead and lock in your answers here. Is it Firebase UI, Anchor UI, Google Sign-In, or Auth UI? 5 seconds left. Make sure to lock in those answers. And time is up. Let's see how we went. Majority of you guessed Firebase UI. We do have quite a few here guessing Auth UI. Let's see who got the correct answer here. And it is Firebase UI. So great job, everyone, on that one. And up next is our final question for the trivia section today. And there it goes. So it's a Flutter question. So in the Navigator 2.0 API, it adds what new class to the framework that defines app-specific behavior and how the router learns about changes in the app state? Is it router viceroy, router delegate, router member, or router agent? It's another fun trick question here for you. So router viceroy, delegate, member, or agent? We have about 5 seconds left. Awesome. And cool. So we get to see, oh, we have quite a bit of answers here trending, but it is actually router delegate. Looks like I tricked quite a few of you here. So awesome. Great job, everyone. We're going to tally up the leaderboard real quick. And it looks like Tan, congratulations. Great job on that. You had 7 out of 7 and took the least amount of time answering all the questions correctly. So great job there. And it looks like our hardest question was the Google Cloud question around one of our services that protects against DDoS attacks. Great job, everyone. But don't fret, all of you are a winner. So we do have a Google Developers Badge that you can all claim for your google.dev profile just for attending here today. So you can go ahead and claim your Demo Day attendee badge if you follow the link here. We'll also drop it in the chat. It's bit.ly/demo day-dev badge. Go ahead and claim that now, and it'll add it to your .dev profile, where you can also take more code labs and learn a lot more about our developer technologies over there with that profile. And lastly, don't forget, go ahead and vote for your favorite team if you haven't already. You can always change your answer later. Go back over to Slido, but make sure that you're on the People's Choice Award section, the one with the red dot. So in there, that's where you can vote for your favorite team that you've seen here today for Demo Day. And with that, on to the next demo, and I'll catch you all next time. Thanks for joining.